So just because you're the man of the house doesn't mean you can't help out in the kitchen. I do run my business, but I'm not saying I do it all the time. My wife cooks many a meal in this house, 90%. But today I'm helping out. Look, I'm making meatballs, right? Sam's famous meatballs. So for the guys out there, and there's a lot of guys that do like to cook. I know that too. Not always the case, but always help your wife out if you can. Maybe once a week, say, hey babe, I'm gonna take care of dinner so you can relax, you know what I mean? And it'll really, really help your marriage out really great. So who's ready for some meatballs? Here we go, 41 meatballs, all done and done. And we're gonna put them into the oven. I can't wait to show you how they look when they're done, baby. When they are done. 41 beautiful meatballs ready to go. We have 25 on one and about 17 on the other. We'll make 42, right? Bang, ready to go. You gotta grind that block. That fresh block, baby. Right off the blockchain. There's the meatballs. Breaking fast, finally. And it tastes so good.